Hello and welcome to day 80 of Bedtime Welsh. Oh, and we have a cat with us today. Which cat is this? Black cat, number one. Nando, apparently. They look exactly the same. And we're back on the right side. You're on the right side of the sofa again. Okay, it's time for a little bit of going back to some older stuff and seeing if you can remember any of it. And if you can't, don't worry, because once you've heard it again, it'll be a little bit easier for you. So let's start off with, are you going to watch television tonight?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wylio teledu heno?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wylio teledu heno? Okay, great. So how about, or are you going to do something else?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth arall?
Neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth arall? Okay, moving on. How about something else more interesting? Can you remember the more in there? Something else more interesting.
Rhywbeth arall mwy diddorol.
Rhywbeth arall mwy diddorol. If you remember that first time, superb. And if you didn't, well, you've just heard it again. That'll make it a little bit easier next time. Okay, how about I haven't finished eating?
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. And last one for tonight, because I'm reading the book you gave me.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roed I mi.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi I mi. Excellent, well done. Well, that was a little quick romp, and we'll have some more ones to follow up on from a little bit further ago for tomorrow. But for now, ooh, there's another cat down there. Can you bring that cat? Nah, cat's too far away. I want you to see they look exactly the same. They're not different. Oh, the other cat is coming. No, it's run away. There, that's how similar they are. See, completely similar cats. I call them Black Cat 1 and Black Cat 2. I don't believe in these names. Anyway, that's enough for tonight. We'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.